Why is design innovation moving slowly? I tend to think it's because not enough organizations are driving innovation and innovation on culture with both hands. When they do, the knock-on effect is design innovation. The available technology, particularly breakthrough innovations around machine intelligence, are changing fast, but the capabilities available to designers and the design culture has not been. Well, designers and engineers must be curious to try the new manufacturing methods, to experiment with the new materials. If they aren't willing to embrace the change in the process and experiment, it all grinds to a halt. We need people pushing the limits of design, and we need to keep a relentless focus on design innovation and making real things move it all forward. Future design revolves around these trends. 1. The mass availability and affordability of cloud computing. 2. The proliferation of new advanced manufacturing capabilities, particularly industrial additive technologies, paired with new material science. And 3. The availability and benefit from real practical applications, all that can drive generative design technologies. We've not yet reached a point where enough value from the machine learning is available to the design community. But when activated, it's going to shake things up for anyone who manufactures.